Okay, traders, I'm going to show you a day trading strategy that you can implement very, very easily. It's as simple as just following this signal right here and closing on this signal. It's really as simple as this. I'll show you the trade signal that I sent in. This was the outcome. Okay, so we'll go back, Euro Aussie, set a bullish alert, 15-minute time frame. That's it. This is what I posted. Off that indicator, there's your settings below. Click the indicator, set a bullish alert, wait for it, take the trade when it goes off. That's it. I've been calling this our paint by numbers trading system because it's really as easy as that. So I'll just quickly show you yesterday's outcome. Okay, we had 3 trades, Euro Aussie, as you can see. That's 6R. That's the exit signal. This one was the Aussie Yen, gained 3R. There's your entry signal. There's your exit signal. And the Aussie Swiss. What I'm going to do with the video is actually turn it into a full tutorial so you can use this when you're trading this system. Here's the instruction. Okay, it was green, wait for green to turn red. It turned red here, that was our sell signal there. Then you had options to exit here, here, and here. 2R, 3R, or 5R. It doesn't get any easier than this, guys. There's nothing like this anywhere in the world. I can pretty much 100% guarantee that. I want to explain something. I'm spending the Asian session researching these so that I can send in high quality signals into this channel here. Now there's also the Telegram signals. They're different. These are specifically for those of you manually trading with a very easy to follow. Grow your own account or trade a prop firm account. Pass your challenge. This is where it's at, hands down. As I said, I'm researching these in the Asian session so I can find high quality setups. These are meant to be traded through the London and early into the New York Open. So if we have a quick look at Telegram, I'm going to be posting these in here as well for our members, but the signals that go in here, looking back at these ones, are not meant to be manually traded. Okay, here's an example. This is meant for automatic trade copy, TS Copier, or my trade copy service. And I want to just explain that I don't have the time to research these signals. Okay, I'm basically trading these on the fly through the Asian session. Okay, so the quality of these signals versus what you're getting in Discord here is really different. Okay, again, I'm spending the Asian session researching so that I can send these into Discord. Right, so this is really where it's at. What we're going to do now is a full tutorial on how to trade this. Okay, let's just run with the Euro Aussie. That was the first one. The instruction is, just go to it. Just set a bullish alert for the 15-minute time frame. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. Aussie Yen, set a bearish alert for the 15-minute time frame. That's it. Very straightforward. So let's have a look at the Euro Aussie. And again, this is now a full tutorial. Okay, so if you're looking to trade this, make sure you pay really close attention to what I'm about to share with you. And look, if you feel that this could be of benefit to you, just take the 14-day free trial. You're not charged anything. It's completely free. And find out how this could change your life in a big way. Okay, the link's on my website. So here's how to trade this. When you receive this idea, Euro Aussie, okay, that's what you get. And all you need to do is come into the 15-minute time frame. It's specifically on a 15-minute chart. I'm going to run through all of the settings for these indicators, everything. But to just jump straight to it before we go through all the settings, come straight in here and you're going to go for the momentum sync. Okay, have a look at the buy alert where that's pointing at the moment. There, right? Just keep an eye on that. So you're looking for the momentum sync triangle. That's it. You just come over here to the 3 dots, add alert, and if it's a bullish alert, you must select bullish alert. Go once per bar, go to notifications, and in here, make it play a sound, and if you like, you can use something like a droplet sound. Use one sound for an entry and another sound for an exit. So let's just go with the droplet for an entry. Click create, done. All right, so that goes into your alerts. Here it is here. That's the alert we just set. 15-minute chart, all done. You can set the alert to go off on your phone. Under notifications, notify in app. So set up the TradingView app on your phone. And when that fires, just come straight in and take the trade. It's as easy as that. There's your alert. Take it. Now we're going to talk about stop loss and your target. The stop loss, you're going to use a combination of two indicators. Let's just take that out, remove that. All right. The stop loss, and this is where we look at these settings, the momentum sync. On the inputs, they're the settings. ATR multiplier is 2 for a 15-minute chart. That's it, right? So now the stop loss, see the green shade. I'm just going to point to it. You'll see a green shaded thing following price. You can see it here and here. Just have a look at this down in here, right there. I'll bump it up so you can see it. Okay, the green shaded zone. Okay, watch here. Now, when I flick that on and off, off, on, so that right there is your stop loss. Now, we're using it in conjunction with, because sometimes this may or may not be there depending on how price is shaping up, right? The trend channel. Okay, have a look at the same arrows down here and have a look at those green dots. Okay, so the green dots on the trend channel. We'll go with that. That's your stop loss. And I'll run through and show you the settings on all this, but let's just get our trade going, right? So now you've entered the trade, you've set up a stop loss. You can pull your target to, just go to 2 or 3R, doesn't matter, 3R by default, right? There's 3R there. This is a dynamic target. You're going to move this. Let's include now this extreme confluence indicator and have a look at the exit alert and these crosses up the top and these dots. That's your exit signal. So when you enter this trade, I mean, look, you can stretch that out as far as you like, doesn't matter, because you're going to come straight in here now once you've got your stop loss and your entry. Set a 5R target. It doesn't matter. Okay, come back over here now, click the 3 dots and add alert on the extreme confluence. Okay, keep everything as is. It's once per bar. Go to notifications and you're going to change it. The entry is 1 sound. I used the droplet. And the exit, you could just go flickering or hoarse. Okay, use a different sound for the exit so you know the sound of an entry and an exit. And when you see these going off, it's serious business. You come straight into the log here and you have a look at the, click on it and come into the chart. I'm actually testing out a new indicator here, so just take no notice of that at the moment. But yeah, these are the two. And so then you just sit back and wait. I mean, look, it doesn't get any easier than this. You've got instructions for the entry, you know where the stop loss goes, and it's day trading. So you want to be able to come into the chart, set the thing to go off on your phone, and come straight in and close the trade when the alert goes off. That's it. So the next part of the video, we're going to go through all of these, and I'm going to show you the settings. Double click, we've got these down here as well. You don't have access at the moment to the impulse accelerator. Okay, I'm working on that. But let's just go through these now and I'll show you the settings. All right, trend channel. Come into the inputs. There's nothing to do there. Style. Make sure that this is selected middle. Okay, you want all of these selected. And I've removed these 4 here. I've taken them out because I'm using a different signal. You can set that as default, save as default if you like. Go OK. The volume aligned trend signals, I wouldn't even use it, to be honest, but probably keep it off. I was using this in conjunction with the trend momentum sync. I mean, you can if you want to. It's a second confirmation. There's nothing to do with this. You don't have to change any of the settings. So this one gives you this signal here, that one. All right, so you might want to consider taking this trade only after you see this and this signal. There's also a red one here. You'd ignore that because we're looking for a bullish signal. It's a complicated indicator, this one, in terms of what it does. It's based on multiple VWAP. I would turn that off and just flick it on and off if you want to use it. The trend momentum sync, okay, there are my style selections here, all right, and the inputs, 30, 1, 2, 2, that's it. And then on the 15-minute chart, you're going to use a 2. If you're going to trade a 5-minute, you get more signals and it's a bit more aggressive, but I would use 3 on a 5-minute chart. 15-minute, use 2. Go OK. So that's 2 times the average true range. distance for the stop loss. Next one is trend bars. I'll just close these so you can see what it does. The trend bars colours the bars, and I have taken that out, enabled divergence, and I've selected these. In the style, you can take all this out, okay, remove those. Now, you can use bar color green and bar color red if you like to tell you when the candles change from red to green or green to red. They're little dots, as you can see here. That's it. Go OK. Okay, this one here is giving you previous levels of support and resistance. This is previous daily, weekly, monthly, along with the 8-hour and 4-hour levels. What I've done is I've extended the last 2 days across to the right. I've extended the last 2 weeks across to the right, and I've extended the last 2 months levels across to the right. I want to see these levels on the right-hand side here. If you take them out, you won't see them. They'll be back in the chart somewhere. So that's settings for that. Yeah, you want these levels. Look at the resistance up in here, for example. So, you're trading into that. You might want to consider an exit. So that's that one. The trend track multi-time frame. I just keep this one on the time frame. So if it's a 15-minute chart, keep this one set just for the 15-minute. Now, I use on the 5-minute chart, all the settings are the same. Yeah, whether you're trading a 15 or a 5-minute chart, all the settings, these indicators are all the same. I also include this 15-minute if I'm on a 5-minute chart. I want to know what the 15-minute time frame's doing. And this will give you this table over here as well, giving you the higher time frame trends. Forex sessions will give you, okay, orange is the Asia Open, blue is the London Open, and white is, here it is here, right, New York Open. So you just want to know when the session opened. By the way, set your chart to UTC -4. Extreme confluence, there's nothing to change in there. Just keep it as it is. Custom range high and low. Look, I've done a lot of videos on this. This is if you want to map out a certain time frame. But yeah, probably leave that out for now. We're just going to run with the signals. So don't really need that at this point. Second high-low, look, you can use that as a reference. That'll give you previous order blocks. Look at the resistance above. I flash it on and off when I need it. All right, so when these are all selected here, with the exception of that one, I want this, I want the trend bars, I want the highs and lows, trend track multi, Forex sessions, custom range I don't want, and the high-low signals I only use it for quick reference of previous order block levels. Down the bottom, there's nothing to change. Leave them as they are by default, and this impulse accelerator is at the moment being tested. That's it, guys. 15-minute chart. You've got a couple of signals coming in. I might just pay attention to that. So with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Join us. It's free. 14 days. Make a difference. And make a difference. Okay. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.